Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Lucas Copy Academy, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 25th of December 2024. Today is Wednesday. It is also the Christmas, so wish you a Merry Christmas from my side. And I hope, although there is only crypto market open today, but we'll have a quick review about what is happening in the various Forex pairs also. And we'll also see Bitcoin and Ethereum before we close the stream. So I'll not be taking much time today. I'll be taking just 5 minutes. For those who don't know me, I'm a Dukas Copies community member. I'm not their employee, so please do not see it as a research of Dukas Copy. I'm sharing my own ideas and views about the markets. So I'm an independent trader and an independent technical analyst. This analysis is not coming from Dukas Copy Bank. Okay, I'm just using their YouTube channel to showcase my videos or my ideas. Now, as a technical analyst, I know that everything is already priced in the chart. So whatever is happening in the news, I will not talk about that. And I'll take you quickly to the charts from where I will be deducing the key levels for all the Forex majors. And we'll see how we can use them into our trading setup. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's go to the charts. But before I show you the charts, there is a risk disclaimer. Please understand the risk that is associated when you trade the Forex market or the crypto market for that matter. Please also understand that this video is not a trading advice. You should use your own discretion, or yeah, you should do your own research before you put your real money on the line. Now let me take you through the charts, please. All right. On your screen right now, this is the Bitcoin chart. This is the only chart that is moving today. We'll come to here, but before that, I want to show you where the US dollar closed. You see, US dollar closed just below the fair value gap. This is not a good indication for the bulls. Okay, this is an indication that this fair value gap was able to stop the price from going higher. Okay, so on the Monday opening, the price may come back to this confirmed fair value gap now. Okay, there is a very bullish fair value gap, but now that is uh, confirmed, and I think it will be tested on Monday or maybe Tuesday. Okay, let us see. This is one thing that I'm looking for a halt in the dollar going up. That means I'm looking a halt in the pound going down. Yes, the market is heavy, and the extent where I'm expecting the market to go is 1.2445. So this is what I'm expecting. Okay, but I'm expecting a halt here, at least for 1 day or two. Similar is the case with the euro, although on the way down, the euro has made a bearish fair value gap, which I'll be expecting to be traded on Monday or maybe later for a bearish rejection to the downside. This is what I will be expecting. Okay. In the Australian dollar also, something similar is there. I'm expecting this bearish fair value gap to be traded and then the market getting rejected. Let us see if that can happen. If that does not happen, that means the Australian dollar may be going for the fresh highs. Fresh highs means it has to, of course, pass through this bearish fair value gap for us to become bullish on this one. Guys, at any point of time, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask that in the chat box. Okay, the chat box is just by the side of the video. In the case of New Zealand dollar, it has entered into the fair value gap, but I think it is going for the 50%. So I'm just removing this and putting the 50% of the Fibonacci retracements. So this 50% may push the prices lower now. So what I'm expecting is I'm expecting something like this market now. Let us see if that can happen or not. USD CHF, I am bullish on this market. Why I am bullish? Because this has left a gap open. Now, when a market leaves a gap open and does not trade it and makes a fresh high, it has not made a fresh high yet, but if it makes a fresh high and this gap is left open, that means this market USD CHF is extremely bullish and it will go to the previous highs on the same time frame. Previous highs, one is this one, second is this one, third is this one. So I'll be expecting these highs to be taken out very soon if the market is able to give me an open fair value gap like this one and closes above 0.9024. You can keep a note of this. USD JPY, why it was bearish, I don't know today. I mean, it is 25th of December. Before closing it went down though. Why it was bearish, I don't know. But as a whole, the US dollar is going up, and I'm expecting the market to trade this fair value gap and find enough buyers here to push the prices higher. Will this happen or not? That we will come to know only on the Monday opening. So we'll have to just wait. Bitcoin, Bitcoin actually is in a, you can say, tug of war between the buyers here and the sellers here. You see, the sellers could not push the price lower than this fair value gap and close it there, and the buyers are not able to push the price higher than this fair value gap. So there's a constant tug of war between buyers and sellers, and in the process I think there is one nice fair value gap being created. This has not been created yet. The daily candle has to close after 11 hours and 44 minutes. In that case, the candle can actually deliver to the downside and fully close this gap. I don't know yet, but I'm expecting, of course, the downward move. But I still think that the bears are trying to take control of the market because the price did not close higher. But I think the low of today is very far, 11 hours, and I mean half of the day is already gone. The candle is still bullish. Will it turn red? We don't know yet. But after closing only we will come to know whether this fair value gap is created or not. Once it is created, the price will tap into this gap and go higher. That is my expectation. Brent crude oil, this is 5 minute. You see this, I had created an order block and then the market just closed. But you see, I am looking for the bearish reactions on this one on the daily. So I was trying to frame a sell setup over there in the 5 minutes. Uh, so this is the market. Why I am looking for the bearish prices in this market? Because the price has just traded this fair value gap and is trying to go lower. Now on the way down, it has met this order block. Of course, there is a reaction from the order block, but it has just sent the price higher to take this liquidity. The liquidity is taken, and now I am expecting lower prices in this market. Okay. Similar is the case with the gold. This fair value gap pushed the price higher to this fair value gap, and now I'm expecting this to push it down to this fair value gap. Let us see that also. But this is gold. Okay, I'm not looking for higher prices in gold. I'm only looking for the lower prices in the gold in the coming time. Euro JPY, of course, I'm looking for the higher prices because this fair value gap 50% is holding the price very nicely, and now the price is expected to go to 164.76 at least on the daily. Similar is the case with the pound. The fair value gap is at least now, till now, the price is holding. There is a bearish engulfing which I did not like, but the price going higher from here is what is expected. Okay, there is an open fair value gap on the daily chart. The candle has closed above this, so I'm all in all I am expecting higher prices. Will the year close above 2.0? We don't know. We still have 2-3 days. So let us see how the things unfold about this. CHF JPY, okay, the price is expected to retrace back to the 50%. 173.59 is the price. If that does not hold, then the price may be ready for the lower rejections in this market. Or in New Zealand, yeah, I'm not expecting higher prices in this market because you see how uh, the price failed to close above the 50%. Actually, once it has closed, this may be a fake breakout, but second time it closed, it may not be a fake breakout, although this is a Sunday market. So let us see how the Monday behaves. If the Monday is able to close above the 50%, then the price may be headed for the higher. Gas, yeah, like that day I told that gas was able to maintain a close above this fair value gap. So this means that there is a possibility of the price going higher from here, and this can actually breach or at least test this previous high. Let us see how the things unfold about this also. Till the time the price is trading above this fair value gap, I am bullish on this one. EuroCAD, we are bearish. We'll keep looking for the selling opportunities till the time the price is trading below 1.5053. This is a very clean market structure. okay, and the market structure once broke, I'll be very happy to sell this market from here all the way down to here. Of course, on the way there will be a fair value gap, there will be fair value gap here also, but I will not be, bothered about that because it is the rejection from the last fair value gap, and then the price would see, I think, 1.4456. Yes, it can take time, it may take a month or so, but still, this is a very clean price action if the price is able to break below this low and give us a clean market structure shift. Let us see. Ethereum also is behaving like the Bitcoin only. I'm not willing to buy it at the current levels because there is a fair value gap which is pushing the prices lower. If I have to buy, I will buy close to 3260. That's all, guys, from my side. Please feel free to ask questions or leave your comments in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer your questions at any point of time. If you find that the information that I'm providing here is useful to you and you can frame your setups close to the levels that I am creating here, then maybe you would love to leave me a like or subscribe to the channel for more such webinars. And in the end, I always say and I suggest, because I cannot stress it more. You see, this is very important part of trading, that you should only risk less than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times of whatever you are risking. Now, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can also leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars if you are new to this. Have a good day. Thank you very much for your time and wish you a Merry Christmas once again. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Till then, bye bye. Take care.